5 AI tools to make $1,000 month as a freelancer, the 2026 Goldmine. 1. The hook, the burnt-out reality. Most freelancers are doing it wrong. They're trading 10 hours of their life for $100. It's a race to the bottom. But in 2026, the smart freelancers, the ones making $5K, $10K, even $20K a month, aren't working harder. They're using agents. If you're still writing every word, designing every pixel, or editing every second of video manually, you're not a freelancer, you're a bottleneck. Today, I'm breaking down the 5 AI tools that are literally printing money for freelancers right now. These aren't just cool apps, these are full-scale business models that can net you an extra $1,000 a month with just a few hours of work. Let's get into the Goldmine. 2. Tool 1, the video spokesperson Goldmine. First up, TZUR. In 2026, every company needs video, but nobody wants to be on camera. You can charge $200 to $500 per video for corporate training, real estate walkthroughs, or YouTube ads. The workflow: you take their script, plug it into TZUR, choose a professional avatar, and hit generate. What used to take a production crew 3 days now takes you 15 minutes, 2 of these clients a month. That's your first $1,000 right there. 3. Tool 2, the SEO architect. Number 2, Surfer AI. Companies don't want writing, they want traffic. Generic ChatGPT articles don't rank anymore. But Surfer AI analyzes the top 50 pages on Google in real time and writes content that is mathematically designed to hit one. Freelance writers are charging a premium, $150 to $300 per post, because they're selling results, not just words. You can produce 5 high-ranking articles a week without breaking a sweat. 4. Tool 3, the brand identity disruptor. Tool 3, Midjourney V7 V8 combined with Canva Magic Studio. Forget basic logo design. Small businesses need a brand identity: logos, color palettes, and 30 days of social media posts. With Midjourney, you generate the vibe. With Canva, you automate the layouts. You can sell brand-in-a-box packages for $500, $2 sales a month, and you've hit your target. The AI does the heavy lifting, you just provide the creative direction. 5. Tool 4, the automation architect. This is the highest-paying skill on the list. Make-com. Every business owner is drowning in busy work, copying data, sending follow-up emails, scheduling appointments. If you can build an AI workflow that automates their lead generation, they won't just pay you once, they'll pay you a monthly retainer. Freelance automation consultants are charging $1,000 plus just for the setup. It's the ultimate set-it-and-forget-it income stream. 6. Tool 5, the global voice. Finally, 11 Labs. The world is global, but language is still a barrier. You can offer video localization services. Take a creator's YouTube video, use 11 Labs to clone their voice into 20 different languages and re-upload them. You're helping creators tap into millions of new viewers. It's a high-value, high-demand service that most people don't even know exists yet. 7. Conclusion, strategy over tools. Here's the truth: the tools are the easy part. The money comes from how you package them. Don't sell AI art, sell increased conversion rates. Don't sell AI writing, sell Google Page 1 rankings. The $1,000 month goal isn't just a dream, it's a math problem. Which one of these 5 tools are you going to master first? 1. TZUR Video. 2. Surfer AI SEO. 3. Midjourney Branding. 4. Make-com Automation. 5. 11 Labs Voice. Tell me in the comments which one you're starting with, and I'll send you a cheat sheet for that specific tool. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Next week, I'm showing you how I built a $10,000 month agency using only no-code tools. See you in the next one.